What's up guys, my name is Red Shadow and today I'm going to show you how to build a 3D printing flashlight, a very powerful flashlight with a port to charge it. First you need a LED, a 3-watt LED. You need a LED lens 60 degrees. You need a lithium battery. You need TP4056 to charge the battery. You need a small heatsink for the LED. You need 4 resistors, 4 ohm. You need thermopost. Some wires. Electric ball tube. Switch on off, of course. Very small switch. And of course 3D print parts. I print this with my CR10S. Okay, that's the schema electric. Okay, I finish this and that's it. I solder every wire. There is a TP, there is a switch, the LED, the heatsink, the grease paste, and some glue to fix it on the LED. Okay, I put glue and that's it. I close this flashlight and that's it. You have a flashlight 3D printing with a port to charge it, and it's very powerful. I make a test, it's very powerful. Look at this. Okay, so thanks for watching, bye bye, and that was Red Shadow.